Go.
Now we're going to go back and see how Natalie was
Instant
stupid.
replay.
No, like we're like. This is going like rewinding.
No.
Okay, now we go. Look what you did, Natalie.
This one was here.
No, you put this one here.
Yes.
And I took it.
Oh no.
And now what did you
And
do?
then I thought I was all smart. And I took this one here. And it went, and it was gone. And then die!
Are you stupid or what?
It's not my fault. Dig me in school, Frankie.
Okay, now we can play. Your turn.
Och LJM kan inte förstå vad vi ser nu. Och det är bara så trass. No.
Nej, nej. Det är din son.
No. It's really tired.
Now we're keeping. This is gonna be easy. This is gonna be easy. Or maybe not.